Hi, I'm Nitin Patil. I'm a R&D Solutions Architect at BMC. In this video, I will talk about the CLM vSphere integrations, horizontal scale-in, scale-out capabilities. There are two primary use cases here. Horizontal scale-out, which is about adding one or more servers based on a policy. Secondly, horizontal scale-in, again based on a policy, removing one or more servers. As a side note, the current scale-out or scale-in capabilities are limited to VMware vSphere only. Here is a quick overview of the steps. As a cloud admin, you are always in control of for which service offerings you would like to enable the monitoring policies. Via the cloud admin portal, set up the service blueprint properties to enable both monitoring as well as the monitoring policy. Note, this can also be configured via the service catalog options instead of baking in the service blueprint for reasons such as chargeback. Next, the end user can come in through the end user portal and set up the monitoring policy per autoscale needs. And then the user would need to enable the policy. This screenshot shows how to enable monitoring as well as the monitoring policy via the service blueprint properties. This screenshot shows how to set up a monitoring policy. In this example, the user has set up a monitoring policy that uses system CPU utilization whenever it exceeds 80% for about a minute. The monitoring policy will be triggered. The action to be executed in this case is a scale out action. The user has decided to add one server when the event happens. Once the user has saved the policy, the user has to enable it to make it effective. Similarly, user has set up a scale in policy here, in which when the CPU utilization falls below 25% for about a minute, the scale in event will be triggered. As a result, the action taken selected here is to remove server one server at a time. Let's see a quick demo of these policies in action. In this demo setup, the monitoring policies have already been set up per the prior screenshots we saw. On the left, you see the performance graphs. On the right, you see the VM console and the system utilization. Let's introduce some load now. I'm using the CPU stress utility from system internals for this. After some time, once CLM has detected the event, it starts provisioning of the second VM as per the scale out policy. The provisioning is complete now, and we can see the new VM under the service as well as in the vCenter. Let's take a look at the scenario 2, the scale-in scenario. Now we will simulate the underloading of CPU using the same utility. Once CLM has detected the event, it will initiate the shutdown of the VM followed by the decommissioning. The decommissioning has now been completed and the VM has been removed from the service as well as the vCenter. This concludes our demo of CLM vSphere integrations, horizontal scale-in, scale-out capabilities. For further information, please refer to the documentation link mentioned here. Thank you for watching.